In a world where every drop tells a story, we embark on a captivating journey, delving into the depths of the water cycle. Prepare to witness the incredible forces of nature as we unveil the intricate workings of this remarkable phenomenon. From the sprawling rivers that meander through lush landscapes to the shimmering lakes that reflect the beauty of their surroundings and the mighty oceans that stretch as far as the eye can see, the cycle of water weaves its spellbinding tale. At the heart of this tale lies the eternal dance between the elements. The sun, with its radiant warmth, breathes life into the earth, setting in motion the grand orchestration of the water cycle.
The water cycle is a complex process involving water movement through the Earth's atmosphere, land, and oceans. It is a vital part of the Earth's ecosystem and helps distribute water around the planet. The water cycle can be divided into 4 main stages: evaporation, condensation, precipitation, and infiltration. Evaporation is the process of water changing from a liquid to a gas. The sun's heat causes water molecules to move faster and faster until they break away from the surface of the Earth and enter the atmosphere. Condensation is the process of water changing from a gas to a liquid. As water vapor rises into the atmosphere, it cools and condenses around tiny dust or salt particles. This forms clouds. Precipitation is the process of water falling back to the Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Various factors, including the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere, the temperature of the air, and the presence of mountains or other obstacles, can cause precipitation. Infiltration is the process of water soaking into the ground. Some of the water that falls as precipitation will infiltrate the ground and be stored in aquifers or other underground reservoirs. The water cycle is closely linked to ecological reservoirs or environments. Ecological reservoirs are areas where water is stored for a period of time. They can be found on the surface of the Earth, underground, or in the atmosphere. Some of the most critical ecological reservoirs include oceans. The oceans are the largest ecological reservoir on Earth. They store about 97% of the Earth's water. Glaciers. Glaciers are large masses of ice that form on mountains or polar regions. They store about 2% of the Earth's water. Groundwater. Groundwater is water stored in aquifers or other underground reservoirs. It is a vital source of water for humans and other animals. Atmosphere. The atmosphere is the layer of gases that surrounds the Earth. It stores about 1% of the Earth's water. The water cycle and ecological reservoirs are essential for life on Earth. They help distribute water around the planet and provide water for plants, animals, and humans. The water cycle also helps to regulate the Earth's temperature. Climate change is affecting where, when, and how much water is available. Extreme weather events such as droughts and heavy precipitation, which are expected to increase as climate changes, can impact water resources. A lack of adequate water supplies, flooding, or degraded water quality impacts civilization, now and throughout history. These challenges can affect the economy, energy production and use, human health, transportation, agriculture, national security, natural ecosystems, and recreation. Water pollution occurs when hazardous chemicals and microorganisms enter water bodies such as rivers, lakes, seas, and oceans, leading to contamination. As a result, the water's quality declines, posing risks to both humans and the environment due to toxicity. The Philippines is a significant contributor to global plastic pollution, releasing an estimated 0.28 to 0.75 million tons of plastic waste into the ocean annually through coastal areas in Manila Bay. In addition to that, the country also disposes of hundreds of thousands of tons of plastic waste into its rivers. According to the environmental group Best Alternatives, fisherfolk operating in freshwater lakes and rivers have observed changes in their catch over the past decade. Native fish species such as biya, gobies, ayungin, silver perch, Martinico, climbing perch, and oolong, freshwater shrimp, have become less common. During elevated water levels caused by rain, fish escape from ponds, lakes, and other bodies of water in areas like Rizal and Laguna into the Marikina and Pasig rivers, attracting fisherfolk.
In conclusion, there are plenty of ways to reduce water pollution and alternate methods on conserving clean and safe water. We sometimes forget that billions of people around the world are experiencing water scarcity for at least once a month every year. And worst of all, according to the National Water Resources Board, as many as 11 million Filipinos lack access to clean water. This is only the beginning unless we do something about it now. We must face and accept this tragic fact while we still can, and our leaders should expend the political resources necessary to make the difficult decisions required to address the water crisis effectively. With the time that we have, we should act now. From Makoni, Nina, Luke, Justine, John, Howard, Haley, and Franz, we encourage you to make change in your own little ways and make our planet healthier once again. Thank you for watching, and we hope that you've learned something in this video.